Woody, what are you doing? Hi, baby. What you doing? Where's Bridget? Where's Bridget? Can you try go Woody? No. You silly. I know. You love Bridget. She's the one that got away. I love you, Woody. You're a good boy, baby. I love you.